Hello, friends. I hope everyone is doing good. Uh, Many of you have been asking for the Nifty update. What exactly is taking place in Nifty, especially after the elections are over. We have not updated on the Nifty. I have been busy with the gold trading. Most of you would have been knowing that we have been doing only gold for the recent times. So there were many requests coming up in case of asking for me on the update of the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. And I thought, okay, today we will make a analysis of how the Nifty is trading and what exactly is the scenario and what exactly we are expecting in terms of the Nifty in the coming months. In our yearly outlook video, we had I have made it very clearly that the first half is going to be really good. The second half, the ground scenario would be different, and the stocks would be like we need to be very specific in selecting the stocks, but the market will continue to move up. So this was my approach. And I have also mentioned that it is not about the Indian scenario that will be the reason. It will be the global scenario which will be playing its part. So on ground reality is like there are many kind of war kind of situation is taking place. And the elections of the US is around the corner. So we have a lot of confusions of global outlook. And that is putting up a little pressure on the Indian market. But then, as I said, like we need to be stock specific in terms of taking these stocks in the next few months. And if you were to look at it on the ground in the Indian scenario, also we have been listening that there have been many job losses, and the job creation is not full-fledged after the elections. It will take time for us to get back to the pace that we have been developing. So it might take a little more months. But overall scenario is like Nifty is yeah, bouncing again and again for making a new highs every month. So we would like to assess what exactly is taking place. And many have been asking me like, when will the bear market start? I don't have an answer for when the bear market will start because we are sitting in a very solid bull market. Corrections do take place in the bull market. It is not something unfamiliar with. And I have also mentioned that the corrections will be sharp this time. And we are seeing such a kind of scenario like uh, whenever this is correcting, it is correcting very fast and it is correcting very fiercely, giving an impression that this is the start of a bear market. But no, we are in a solid bull market and we have long way to go. So I thought, okay, I'll share my views of how this is unfolding, and this will help, I think. So let me share the screen for you. So today we are going to make only on the Nifty. So if you were to look at it, this is the Nifty weekly chart. And since 2020 lows, we are in a new bull phase. We do not have any confusion in this. This is the entire structure of wave 1. This is 2, and we are still in 3. As per my understanding, we have not completed a 3 yet. So once this is complete, then we will have then 4th, then we will have 5th. So if you were to look at, if you were to draw, I will say that this is 1. From here to here to here is 2. And we are in 3rd as of now. Now let us try to break down this particular wave 3 into subdivisions so that we will understand where we exactly stand. Okay, so if we were to look at the major picture, like we will have 4, then we will have 5. Okay, so this is still pending. And let us try to understand where we stand within the 3. Then we will understand where we stand. Okay, so for that we are going into the daily time frame. Okay, so for which we need to start from this particular base. So if you were to look at it, I will say that this is clearly 1, this is clearly 2. All right. Now this rapid sell-off which took place on the day of election results were announced, that is 4th of June, could qualify for that of 4th. If that is the case, then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and still 5 is unfolding. But I will give a different approach for this particular wave count. I will say that this is 1, this is 2, and we are still in 3, and we are most likely to start off with the 4, then only 5. So I will call this particular stuff like this, like this is 1. Okay, this is 2. This is 3. And we will have 4th, we will have 5th. So if we were to look at it, the entire structure for the wave 3 itself is not complete. So ideally, we will say that we are most likely to continue this particular bull market towards 27,000, 28,000 by most likely by around in and around 15th of November to that of first week of December. So till that particular time, we will be continuing to move up. And the minimum target for this particular entire wave structure is around 27 to that of 28,000. So any fall, we are most likely to get into the market once again, and we will continue to go up. To be very cautious, like when I say the broader market will not move, the Nifty and the Sensex will move, but not each and every stock will participate in this particular bull market. Because the kind of scenario that is taking place with regards to the planetary configuration at this point of time suggests that we still have pain in the economy left till March, April of 2025, which means that the Nifty could be making new highs and high, but not every stock, not every company is going to be participating in this particular bull run. And this is exactly how the wave 3 is actually seen. So we do not, what do you say, like we do not saying that we are in a bull market, so go and buy any kind of stock. No, it is not going to participate. You need to be very careful in stock selection till next year 2025, but to March, April of 2025. But when it comes to the Nifty trading, definitely, yes, we will be making higher highs. If not in every month, but then at least twice in a month, we will keep moving higher and higher. And the minimum target that I see at this point of time is around 27,000 to that of 28,000 minimum by end of November. Minimum. These are all minimum that I'm speaking about. So till November, we'll be keeping moving up, and minimum will be moving towards 27,000 to 28,000. It doesn't mean that we will not have any correction. We will have corrections. There will be sharp corrections. But then this is a broader scenario that I'm speaking about. This is a broader outlook that I'm giving at this point of time. Okay, it is not the daily outlook that we have been doing. Okay, with regards to the daily outlook that we have been saying, we are not saying that we will be coming up with a day-to-day update of what is happening in the market. It is not possible at this stage, especially because I have been engaged at more on the gold trading. So it is not possible for me to give an update on a day-to-day basis. But then we are planning for regular updates, and those videos will be circulated only for a few selected people. How does that mean? It's like if you are a GAN student or if you are a HADC student, then you will be receiving the videos which will be uploaded in YouTube, but then you will be getting those links to watch out as and when we make the video. Or if you are a current subscriber to that of HADC indicator or through that of AIG3 indicator, then also you will be receiving updates For that, all that you need to do is like you need to contact our customer service number, and they will do that. They will actually help you out in adding to the broadcast list of us. So whenever we are making any regular updates on Nifty and Bank Nifty, it will be shared to you. Do expect around 2 to 3 videos on a weekly basis. And in that particular video, we will be sharing of how the immediate scenario is unfolding, like rather than it won't be a broader picture, it won't be a forecast or it won't be a prediction, but then it will be like how the markets are behaving at that point of time, at least for the next few days, or how the scenario is looking at. If you were to look at the gold videos that we have been making, gold videos, we have subscribers, so which are paid subscribers. So we are not making it public regularly nowadays. As and when the targets are hit, that will be published. But mostly we are not engaging in sharing it freely on the YouTube. So similar kind of videos is what we are going to populate for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. But do expect not more than 2 to 3 videos on a weekly basis. So in case if you are a GAN student, if you are a HADC student, or if you are a current subscriber to HADC indicator or a current subscriber to AAG3 indicator, you can approach our customer service, and they will definitely help you in adding you to the broadcast list whenever we make a Nifty and Bank Nifty videos. That is like most likely 2 to 3 videos every week. It will be shared to you like we do for the gold subscribers that we do for the paid subscribers. But this is free. This is free for these 4 categories. Either you need to be a GAN student, you need to be HADC student, or you need to be a current subscriber for HADC indicator or JAG3 indicator. Okay, so we will have a touch base of how this is approaching and how this is unfolding further. And we'll see how things are unfolding from here on. And we'll stay connected at least a few times in a month with regards to the Nifty and the Bank Nifty is concerned. I believe that the videos that we are making on the gold is making some sense, because the paid subscribers are live subscribers, wherein they do the live trading actually along with me. But when it comes to the public sharing, like even then you'll get an idea of how this scenario is taking us towards higher and higher of the gold. So we are staying connected only that much nowadays, it's only limited. So let us try to stay connected more going forward. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do connect with our customer service in case if you require these Nifty and Bank Nifty videos. Thank you so much for staying connected.